Hi everyone, welcome back to EduTips channel and my name is Tanushri. So let's start with topics. So first we will talk about requirements of Laravel, what we have to need to install the Laravel. Then we will talk about Composer, where is it work and why it is, what helps in project. Then we will install Laravel and that is our last topic. So basically to install Laravel we need to install some dependencies like we should have XAMPP WAMP server, okay, and we need to install PHP 7.3 7.4. Laravel utilizes Composer to manage its dependencies. So before using Laravel, make sure you have Composer installed on your machine. So here I am going to open on the Google. Okay, so get Composer I typed here. So first link we are going to click on that. Okay. Some people ask me, what is Composer? So Composer is a dependency manager who manage the library packages as per your project. So guys, basically what is actually benefit of it. We don't need to download manually all libraries and packages at our project. Composer is always ready to take care of all libraries and packages and install properly. We don't need to manage the path also. Composer basically enables you to declare the libraries depend on your project. Now I hope you understand what is Composer. So guys, now we are going to install Composer by the Composer official website. So here is the website. This is official website. So there is some links. So we will go to the download link. So guys, I already downloaded it, but still I will just again download. So there is a two option. First is with the command line and the second option is manually. So I will recommend you that you go with command line, which is very fast. Okay, so even if we are going to download with command line, so I want to say that no matter, there is no difference that you are using Mac system or Windows system or Linux system. Same command are used anywhere. Okay, so I am showing just how to install Composer by command line in my Windows system. Now open CMD. Then if you already downloaded Composer, so check which version is in your system. So type Composer only and enter the button. You can see the version over here. And you know that Laravel needed PHP also, so I am going to check which version is in my system. So I typed here PHP space then -v for version. So enter the button. So you can see here PHP 7.4 already in my system. Now still I am going to download Composer. So in official website you can see there is four commands. So first command I am going to copy. So copy the first command, which is install the Composer setup. Now paste to the CMD and hit the enter button. Now you can see it is working. After this done, now second command, copy from the website. Then now I want to say that this second command is used to verify the installer. Okay, so it will verify. So I am going to copy it and paste to the CMD and hit the button. Now you can see it is working. Now after done, I am going to copy the third command from the official website and just paste on my command prompt. Now it is working. So the third command is for run the setup, right? Now last one is for uninstall the setup. So we don't need to uninstall it, so I am not going to use. So here all Composer is done, installation done. So after installation of Composer, we need to install Laravel. So for installation Laravel, first of all I am going to open the official website, and you can see here some commands, and I am going to use these commands. I always recommend command line because it is very fast as per manual download. So first command I am going to copy it and then paste into the command line. And first there is two options I want to say. First is global download and second is local download. So global download is at any folder we can use Composer and Laravel also. So if we are using global, so we only type Laravel new then project name, and it will create a project. Now we have to create a project by the project name Laravel_ecom. So I am going to type here command Laravel new and project name. Here is project name Laravel_ecom. Hit the button. Now you can see here it is working now. Within a minute my folder is created here. So file folder is here, you can see. Okay, so here is all folders and packages installed. Now I am going to open it in Sublime Editor. So you can see here Sublime Editor also. Now here is all files and folders, you can manipulate it here. Now I want to show you how to run the project. So in the command prompt we have to go into our project folder. So type cd and then type Laravel project name. So our project name is Laravel_ecom. Then hit the enter button. Now we are into the project folder. Now type command php artisan serve is for server, and hit the enter button. So the project is running. Now we have to run project onto the browser. So we are going to the Google Chrome. Now going to run at browser. So guys, how to run it? So always keep in mind localhost 8000, it's port name. So going to open localhost then 8000, hit the button. You can see here Laravel index page is displaying here. Instead of localhost 8000, we can type 127.0.01:8000. It is also port name, and run the project here. So you can see here index page also. Now successfully Laravel Composer install and run the project here also. Thank you so much guys. Bye, take care.